Hi, Jonathan York from Investment Research Group, looking at the investment markets ahead. Certainly quite a bit happening out there at the moment. Obviously in Europe we've still got the ongoing issues with the European debt crisis, and we're still waiting just to see exactly how that's going to pan out. At the present it looks as though measures are being taken to try and get it under control, and we'll just wait to see the full impact of these. Debt issues also as well raising its head in the US as well, with the debt ceiling yet to be risen. Expecting a deal on that in the next sort of couple of weeks, really, as despite a lot of sort of jawboning, I think the realisation of the US government sort of pretty much closing down because it's unable to pay its bills really is one that the markets can't really comprehend, and I suspect there will be some sort of deal on that in the very near future. On the earnings side in the US, again a little bit of a mixed bag. Some of the banks reporting much better earnings. Google's latest earnings as well were quite a bit better, and the market's just trying to grind a little bit higher on this slightly positive news out there. In Australia, we got further evidence last week of a sort of two-speed economy. Those are the resources really booming and going gangbusters. The rest of the economy is a little bit lackluster, and the latest warnings from David Jones there sent a few wobbles through the retail sector as they look to downgrade their earnings and profits for the next 6 months. Domestically, we had an almost unbelievable GDP figure. It was double what people were looking for at plus 0.8 for the quarter. If you analyse that out, really looking at sort of above 3%, which is say much greater than most people were looking for. Next up, we've got the inflation data. If that comes out to be a little bit stronger than anticipated, market's looking for about 3.2%. Then there will be renewed calls for an early interest rate hike before the year end, and that will obviously have pretty major implications out there for the fixed interest markets. So it's a very good time to review that portfolio out there. In the marketplace, we've still got the Z Energy bond issue. That is highly sought after at the moment. We've still got a little bit left on the allocation. It's a 7.25 interest rate, 7-year bond. And if you're interested in that, call us on 0800 867 323 to reserve your allocation. Or you can go to the website www.irgbop.co.nz. Lots of interesting articles. The Z Energy application form is there. I look forward to speaking to you soon. Thank you.